Hi there, my name is Ben Golland. I'm a commercialisation manager at Queen Mary Innovation, the technology transfer company for QMUL, and this video is going to cover the reasons why you should consider commercialising your research. First, it's useful to remind ourselves what commercialisation actually is. Commercialisation is the process of bringing innovations to market. For universities, this involves research, developing new technology, which is protected as new intellectual property, and then used to form new products and services. Universities virtually never produce these products and services themselves, but either license the technology to an established business to do so, collecting license fees and royalties when the companies sell the products, or take shares in a spin-out company that develops the technology instead. So what are the pros and cons of commercialisation for academics? Oddly, I'm going to start by stating why you shouldn't commercialise your research. First of all, it takes a long time and a lot of effort, usually involving cross-disciplinary collaborations, multiple rounds of funding, and progression through the stages of product, service, and business development. Secondly, it may distract from your research. All this time and effort would likely take away from the time spent grant writing and experimentation, and the translational pathway does have different requirements and pressures to research funding. Thirdly, it might fail anyway. Even with all the combined effort, funding and planning, it still may not be successful. This may be due to decisions made by yourself or colleagues, or for reasons completely out of your control. However, there is potentially large upsides that are also worth considering. First of all is the opening up of new opportunities. This can be in the form of direct funding from companies interested in the work you're doing. It can be in the form of new collaborations that lead to industry partnerships much earlier in the research cycle, or it can even lead to consultancy work for your expertise. So new funding, research and personal opportunities are all possible from the relationships built during the commercialisation process. Secondly, you can share in the proceeds of commercialisation. Cash from license fees and royalties when products are sold in the market is shared between inventors, including shares in spin-out companies. For more information on the specifics around inventors sharing in the proceeds of commercialisation, please see the QMUL IP policy and the one-pager and video we've done to accompany it as well. Thirdly is the impact beyond academia. Much of the time, impact from your research may be to other academics in the form of posters, presentations and publications, letting others in the field know about your research findings. However, the end goal is usually to have an impact beyond academia, whether it's the general public, customers with a need, or clinicians and patients, and commercialisation is the route for those people to see real benefit from your creativity. So in summary, yes, it can take a long time, yes, it can be distracting, and yes, it can still fail, but the new opportunities, financial rewards, and depth and breadth of impact mean commercialisation of your research is definitely worth your consideration. Lastly, if you do have any questions on the subject of this video or any others, or have a research output you think has commercial potential and want to discuss it, please contact myself at b.golland@qmul.ac.uk or contact Jim Shake or Adam Dakin instead. Thank you.